Hey guys, Lady Cebuana here and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we'll be making pork sisig. Sisig is a Kapampangan dish that is very popular in the Philippines. The word came from their own native tongue, means snack on something sour. You can find it in the menus of most restaurants and bars in the country. The sizzling sisig is the beer's best buddy, that's why it's very popular in the bar. Due to its popularity, a lot of variations were made. We have the chiken, tuna, squid, bangus sisig, and a lot more. In a large pot, combine the pork belly, pig ears. If there's a pig mask available in your area, I would recommend to use it than pork belly, since the original ingredient for pork sisig. Then add the soy sauce, peppercorns, garlic, onions, 2 tablespoons of salt, bay leaves, and enough water to completely cover the pork. Do you know that washing of raw poultry and meat before cooking is not recommended? Why? Bacteria in raw meat and poultry juices can be spread to other foods, utensils, and surfaces. We call this cross-contamination. Boil the meat until tender, but not super soft. We don't want the meat to fall apart when we grill them later. I used pressure cooker to save time. When ready, remove the meat and grill them until crispy outside. You can bake or broil them too in an oven. Remove from heat, allow to cool, and chop meat into fine pieces. In a wide pan, add the oil. You can use butter, but since I'm using pork belly already and it's too fattening, add the onions, then add the ginger. Cook until aromatic. And if you're using fresh liver, you can add it now. I did not use liver and any type since my husband doesn't want me to. Add the cooked pig ears and pork belly. Cook for 10 minutes. Mix occasionally to avoid burning. Then add the soy sauce. Season with salt and pepper. Put in the mayonnaise. Then add the chili. I used habanero. You can use any type of chili, but if you don't have fresh, you can substitute it with chili flakes. Add a scallion or green onions. To achieve the sizzling sisig, you can transfer it to a sizzling hot plate, then top it with fresh egg. Don't forget to season it with lemon or calamansi. Enjoy!